Hello, you are welcome. My name is Dr. Kingsley. In this class, I want to show you how to name naphthol and the compounds of naphthol, the substituents of naphthol. Now, the compound naphthol on its own is a benzene ring, two benzene rings fused together this way is naphthalene. But when a hydroxyl group is substituted or bonded to naphthalene, that will become naphthol. Now, having seen this, we should be able to know how to number naphthol. If you want to number this carbon atom here will be carbon number 1. This carbon atom can also be carbon number 1. This carbon atom can be carbon number 1. This carbon atom can be carbon number 1. When this carbon atom is number 1, you number through this way. When this carbon atom is carbon number 1, you number through this way. If this carbon atom is carbon number 1, you choose to become the carbon number 1, or depending on the substituents, you number through this way. When this carbon atom is carbon number, this is carbon number 1, you need to what? Number through this way. Now, since we have OH here, we number through this side. That is to say that if I want to number the compound, what here becomes is carbon 1, here becomes 2, here is 3, 4. This bridge will not be numbered now. Leave it, and come to this carbon atom. This carbon atom becomes 5. Here is 6, here is 7, and here becomes what? 8. So you can see that this naphthol is actually what? 1 naphthol. Because the OH group is at position 1. Now, remember, when you draw your naphthalene ring this way, you agree with me that here can become 1, here can become 1, here can become 1, here can become carbon 1. If here you number, if here you number through the other way, that means here is actually carbon 2 and here is actually carbon 2. So when you number through this way, here becomes carbon 2. When you number through this way, here becomes number 2. So you can see, if here is 1, here is 2. If here is 1, here is 2. If here is 1, here is 2. If here is 1, then the other place is what? 2. So you can see that what? We will have what? 2 isomeric form of naphthol. Either 1 naphthol, or you have what? 2 naphthol. So that is the 2 isomeric forms of naphthol. So we have our OH here for it to become naphthol. So if I have this way, this compound here, if I put OH here, what will it be? It becomes what? 1 naphthol, because you are going to what? You are going to number through the other way. So this is 1 naphthol. So, but when we have the OH group at position 2 of the naphthol ring this way, we have OH here. So this is 1, here is what? 2. So the compound will become 2 naphthol. 2 naphthol is also known as beta naphthol. It's also known as beta naphthol. So now let us see some other substituents on naphthol ring. Now look at this compound. Let's say we have OH here, then we have the Cl here, we have Br here, we have the CH3 here, and we are asked to name this compound. Now you have to number the compound. this will be carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before you number the bridge will become 9 and carbon what? 10. That is how you number. Now, if you are naming, this will become, you name alphabetically. So you have B, bromo, before C, chloro, before M, which is methyl. So this is what? 4 bromo. Okay, you have a 2 chloro. Then you have 6 methyl. 6 methyl. Then you have a 1 naphthol. That is the name of the compound. Now, again, when we have a Cl here, then we have a OH here, okay? Then you have a that is a, okay, let's say CH3. What is the name of the compound? The compound will become, here will become number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what is the name of the compound? The name of the compound is 1 chloro, okay, 4 methyl, okay, 2 naphthol. That would be the name of the compound. Okay, so the name of the compound is 1 chloro, 4 methyl, 2 naphthol, because the OH group is at number 2 carbon atom. That is 2 naphthol. That would be the name of the compound. So I want to give you, okay, an assignment to do for me. I want you to help me name this compound. Help me name this compound. Okay. Help me name this compound. This is a OH. This is a, okay, CH3. Okay. We have a Br here. Give me the name of the compound. Okay. Post your answers to the comment section. Once again, please, I want you to always help subscribe, like, and share my videos. My name is Dr. Kinsley. Thank you.